Welcome back to Combat Chronicles. This is day 24, episode 24. And like always, if you're just getting here for the first time, I recommend that you go back to the first video, which I'll leave the link right here for. That way you can follow along with us through the whole 365 days of this circuit. After this 365 days is, or at least when I'm finished recording it all, then I will start with the Muay Thai segment. As you can see, I'm trying to film as much of these as I can each day. So I'll just show you the first combination of the day. It's going to be I learned that this is probably a better angle actually, which is going to be a jab, jab, cross, hook, jab, jab, cross, hook. Alright, and without further delay, let's go ahead and jump right into it. There we go. Let's get it. There we go. All right. Set. Jab, jab, cross, hook. I think I have to put more stuff on this thing. It's all starting to compact down low. Doesn't really feel like I'm hitting anything. Made it to the first round. On to the next combo is going to be a jab, low, hook low, cross high. All right, let's try to get a feel for what that's going to be like. So, jab low, hook low, ooh, more time. Jab low, hook low, cross high. All right, jab low, hook low, cross high. Jab low, hook low, cross high. Alright. We got about 20 seconds until this little beeper goes off. Then we go ahead and get started. So, jab low, hook low, cross high. There's going to be a lot of movement in this one, I think. get it. Get hook high. There we go. Jab, hook, cross. Jab, hook, low, cross high. Jab, low, hook, low, cross high. Good. There we go. All right. And for the third and final, jab, hook, rear hook. Jab high, rear hook low. Jab high, hook low, rear hook low. So it'll look like this. Jab high, hook low, rear hook low. All right. Jab high, hook low, rear hook low. Good. One more. Jab high, hook low, rear hook low. In about 25 seconds, we will go ahead and finish up for today. Or at least you will. I got about 5 more of these to record. Oh man. This is usually why my shoulder is sore by like every 10th episode. I might be doing too much. Angle. you notice, but whenever I have one hand out, the other hand's guarding. So, hand's always up, and then once I make contact, that's when I have this one cocked back. And then as I pull to guard the other one is when I'm shooting the third. So, oop. Nice. Love it. All right. Good job. Proud of y'all. And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Peace.